Hi, in last video we made a timer switch. In that project we use 7 segment display. So in this video we will see how to interface 7 segment display with Arduino. So first I will use single digit 7 segment display. As you can see, it has total 6 plus 6 means 12 pins. Here is the number of this display. I get this datasheet by googling this number. You will find all the necessary information in this datasheet. As you can see, this is common anode type display. We will see two ways to interface 7 segment display with Arduino. First is with using library and second is without library. We need 1K resistor for current limiting and some wires and breadboard. If you want to know does this 7 segment display is common cathode or common anode, then follow this. Connect 1 kilo ohm resistor to common pin. Then I will use 5 volt power supply. Then I will connect negative terminal to common point with resistor. Then positive to any other pins. If any of the segment is light up, that means this display is common cathode type. Here you can see there is no segment is light up, so I will reverse the connection. As you can see, segment is light up, so this is common anode type LED display. This is how you also can check all the segments are working or not. Here is the pin number and internal diagram. So first I wrote a simple code without library. You will find all the diagrams and codes in description. After uploading this code to Arduino, let's make all connection according to diagram. All the connections are done. Now let's power it up. As you can see, it displays 0 to 9 number repeatedly. This example is without library. So now let us test with library. I will use save seg library. Here I will use single digit. And then this is the pins. We are using common anode type, so here common anode. Then upload this program to Arduino. As you can see, it works perfectly. So we see two different codes with same output. I hope you like this video. If so, like, share with your friends and subscribe now. Thank you for watching.